Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic kanji. First, let's understand what kanji is. It's a traditional Indian fermented drink, often made with black carrots, that's packed with beneficial probiotics. The natural fermentation process gives it a distinctive tangy and sour taste, making it a refreshing and healthy beverage. It's a wonderful way to incorporate fermented foods into your diet, supporting gut health with a delicious twist. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh black carrots, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Crucially, use 1.5 liters of filtered, non-chlorinated water to ensure proper fermentation. For equipment, a large, clean glass jar is perfect, along with a breathable cloth and a rubber band to cover it. Cleanliness is key for successful fermentation. Let's get to the heart of making kanji, the fermentation process. Begin by thoroughly washing and thinly slicing your 500 grams of black carrots. Next, combine these carrots with the 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1.5 liters of filtered water in your large glass jar. Stir everything well to ensure the salt dissolves and ingredients are distributed. Finally, cover the jar with your breathable cloth, securing it tightly with a rubber band. After 3 to 7 days of fermentation at room temperature, your kanji should be ready. Taste it daily after the 3rd day until it reaches your preferred level of tanginess. Once it's perfect, strain the liquid into a clean bottle, discarding the carrot solids. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Store your finished probiotic kanji in the refrigerator and enjoy it chilled for a refreshing and gut-friendly drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.